welcome back to Coding Tricks. So in this session we are going to see a beautiful concept, that is Python date and time. So how can you give the date and how can you give the time and how can you get the current date and current time? You will see all those things. Let us go into that. So this is the first example, that to get the current date and time. So we know that it is already a module, built-in module datetime. So we will import that module like import datetime. Okay. Then we will use datetime underscore. This is a variable, datetime underscore object. So you will use whichever variable you want. You can use this. Like then you will use datetime dot now. So now method will give the current date and time. So let us see that. So let me run this. It will give the current date and time according to the country. So you can see over here with this. So it is date, year and all these things. This is a time with the microseconds, you got it. So this is a time like this. So this is how you will get. So next one is if you want to get the current date, only the date. So how you will get? So for the date and time you are using datetime.now, right? For the date you are using date.today. Today's date means. So let us see this. So I will import datetime module and then I will use date object equal to datetime.date.today. So this is a variable, you can use any variable. So let me run this. So you can see this is a today's date. Okay. Then next thing is, so commonly we will use the classes like date class, time class, datetime class, timedelta class, datetime.date class. All these we will use. So let us see one level. So if you want to get the current date, you will use today as you have seen now. So if you want to get with the help of a timestamp, so you will give some timestamp like this 132 like this. So with this, if you want to get the date, how you will get. So let us look into that. So this timestamp you will give it randomly or according to your wish you will give. So this is a timestamp. So you will use date.front timestamp. Date.front timestamp. I am importing from datetime. I am importing date. So you can see date equal to something 2012, 1 and 11. So this is the date which we have given according to the timestamp like this. So next thing is, just now we have seen the timestamp, right? So if you want to print today's year, month and day, so how you will do? So let me copy this. So we have seen all together, we have seen individually now, right? So now we will see all together. So if you want to print today's year, date, month, so you will use today equal to date.today. Then you will get current year is this, current month is this, current day is this, like that. So have a look. See, current year is 2020, month is 7 and day is 8. So you can also use just like .today, then you will get it. Print date.today, then you will get the today's date and month and all these things. Next is datetime.time. So next module is this. So if you want to get the time in hours, minutes, seconds, microseconds, you will use all these things. So from datetime, I am importing time. From the datetime, I am importing time. So here I have given, let me copy this so that it will be clear to you. So here I am importing from datetime import time. Next, I'm using a equal to time. That means whatever the time I'm getting, I'm saving it in the variable called a. Next, print a equal to the time. So here I have given 0 minutes, 0 seconds, 0 hours because I did not give anything in the brackets. So next, for the next time I have given b equal to time 11 hours 34 minutes 56 seconds. So you will get this hours, minutes and seconds. So here I have mentioned that hour equal to 11, minute equal to 34 and seconds equal to 56. Here I have given even microseconds also. So whatever you are giving, it will print. So let's have a look at the output. This is one. So within the time format like 11 colon 34 colon 56, like that you will get. So when you are not passing anything, then you will get 0 0 0. If you want the current time, then we have seen this before, right? So you will use that. So next, print hour seconds. Just we have seen this microseconds and all, right? Next thing is datetime.datetime. Datetime. So this is a module which will class a name date class. It can contain information from both date and time objects. So let us see the simple example here. So this is a simple example which you will get all the things. So here I am importing from datetime. I am importing again datetime. So from the main module I am importing datetime module. So a equal to datetime of year is 2018 month and date, and I am going to print a. So next, year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds, microseconds, whatever you want you can give. So print b. So I am going to print this. So like this you will get. Okay, this is how you will get the date time. Next, if you want to print with the timestamp, here you will get print with the timestamp. So if you are giving a dot timestamp, then you will get what is the timestamp also. So next thing is time delta. So what is this time delta is? It will show the difference between the two dates or two times. It will show the difference between either times or the date, like hours. If you are giving hours, so let us see this example so that you will get understand. So here I am giving years. You will get the year differences. So 2017 and 2018. T1 minus T2 I am giving. So you will get the difference between these. That's why I am using import date time comma date. So you are getting that here I have 23 equal to T1 minus T2. That means this minus this. So you are getting 201 days 0 0 0. Like this. So 201 days is the difference. So you can also subtract the hours also. If you want to subtract the hours also, you can subtract. So I did not copy this. So we copy this. So you can also subtract out. From this you will see that how you are doing. So this is equal to, you will also show the negative dates also. And you can see that which type of type it is. T3 is of time delta, and T6 is of time delta. You can check which type it is by using type. Okay. Then difference between two time delta objects, you will get the difference of these two. So here are given weeks and here are given days. So from the time delta, can get the difference of weeks and hours all like this. So you will get the difference of the weeks, the days here. Next, it will also print negative time delta objects. Like here we have got the negative days, right? It will also print the negative time also. So you can have a look at this. So why we are using ABS for ABS? Do you have any idea? So just pause the video and get the idea. Post it in the comment box, then play the video. So this here I'm using from datetime import time delta, and then I'm using this time delta is seconds 33 and 54, and I'm doing subtraction with small number minus big number. Obviously we will get the negative number, right? And here we are using ABS. So that's what I have asked. So ABS is absolute method. It will convert the negative number to positive number and it will show you. So here you can see minus 1 day. T3 is minus 1 day. How many seconds is 21 seconds? This is how you will get. Next is time duration in seconds. So you can also get the time duration in seconds also. So this is how you will get from. We can also subtract these things also. So from date time import time delta. So this is how you will get the total seconds. How many seconds of these things. So next method is Strftime. So if you want to measure, if you want to get the output in string format, which is in the readable format of time, you will use Strftime. So it will take one parameter. What is a parameter is like percentage B, percentage A, like this it will take. What are the parameters we will see. So actually what it will give here is, if we are using Strftime of this percentage B means it will give full month name. So have a look here. So we give the full month name. So 2018 6 I have given. 6 means June, right? So it will give JUNE full month name like this. So next parameters like percentage A, that means weekday in the short version like WD, THU, MON like that. Then percentage A is the full version of the weekday. Percentage W is the weekday number, which day you are in the week. So it will give the number. Percentage D is which day of the month you are in. So it will give that month. Percentage B is short version of the month name. VEC like that. Percentage B is full version of the month name. This we have seen. Percentage M. We are using percentage M. So you will get which month you are in. Month as a number. So if it is December, you will get 12. Percentage Y. Year with century. Year short version without century. Like if you are in 2020, you will get 20 here. Percentage Y means full version. Like 2020 you will get. Percentage H means hours you will get, like 23 hours. Percentage I means short version, like 12. Percentage P means either AM or PM, like that you will get. Percentage M means minutes. Percentage S is seconds. Percentage F is microseconds. So you will write all this by changing just this format. You can do it. Percentage J is day number of the year. So you are in which day, like from throughout the year. Percentage U is week number of year, comma Sunday as the first day of the week you will get like this. Percentage W is week number of year, Monday you will get as the first day of the week. Percentage C, local version of date and time. Percentage X, local version of date. Percentage capital X, local version of time. And percentage, you will get the percentage character. So these are the different versions you can use with the Strftime. So this is how you can do with the date and time. So Still some more modules are there in this, like calendar, how to print a month, and all those things we will see in the next video. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, right? So please like, share and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.